Our service emerges as a cornerstone of innovation in the quest for land development where precision meets environmental stewardship. With a commitment to compliance and a passion for preserving nature, we're at the forefront of transforming the landscape of site development with unmatched accuracy. Our Woodland Inventory Service employs state-of-the-art technology, delivering sub-meter accuracy in tree locations. We don't just see the forest for the trees, we see the story of each tree. Each tree is meticulously assessed for its condition, capturing its essence through comprehensive evaluations and photographic evidence. Our methods are not just thorough. We ensure our practices honor the balance between development and sustainable stewardship. Our approach analyzes a broad spectrum of tree condition and species data to craft clear, actionable strategies and detailed reports. This ensures seamless compliance with your project's municipal regulations and advances responsible land development while streamlining the approval process and enhancing the sustainability and appeal of your projects. Our collaboration with architects and engineers has turned visions into reality, ensuring every project benefits from the depth of our Woodland inventory expertise. Empower your development with precision and environmental integrity. Discover how your project can thrive with our specialized approach. Schedule a consultation with John Snow, our ISA board-certified master arborist today. Together, let's assess how we can align your project with your project's municipal requirements and sustainable success.